I loved watching these things take off.
I've done only like a few thousand of them. But this is not a paved runway.
It's a grass. And it's owned by
Well, I
BLM.
thought it was dirt.
Dirt grass, because there is some grass on there. But
It's owned by who?
BLM, which is Public Lands, Bureau of Land Management.
The strip is owned by them? Oh, they told me it was a private.
Nope.
Hubbard.
There's a private one that John Hendricks actually owns himself, and that's a grass.
Who's John?
John Hendricks is the founder of Discovery Channel that owns this resort.
Oh, does he still own the Discovery Channel?
He just retired this year, actually, in May.
But what does that mean?
Means he gets to travel a lot more than he used to.
He sold Discovery Channel, or?
He's part of the founding, founding.
He still has a stake, but.
Yeah, exactly. He still has his shares, I'm assuming.
And he owns this resort.
This resort, yep. And the resort's been opened now. It's 9th year. So.
How long have you been here?
Sometimes we see him once in a while, and this is my 5th year yet.
Very nice.
Yeah.
You work all throughout the year, or?
The first 3 years I didn't. I was pretty much seasonal, and then the last 2 years I have. I've been here all year round.
It's only echo you hear from the mountains.
Look, I just dug a rock out of the clay. Mom, I dug a rock out of the clay. Mom, I dug a rock out of the clay.
People are fighting over them. Because it's so safe for you to go and mine. She would like to find some diamonds. Maybe you can send her to South Africa?
Yeah, definitely. I'll show you some cool spots.
Got the inside scoop and all the
Oh yeah. Me and the diamond company are pretty tight.
That's why you have all this bling on.
Yeah, my bling bling.